We are going to create the follow method. So over here will be public function follow. The follow method states parameter, that is dollar order ID. Then over here we'll get the sessions. That's the user ID from the session. So copy this one from here and paste it here. Then also over here will be if $this our notation is following. We are checking to see whether whether the person who log in is following the other person. So this one will be dollar order ID, which is this one. So if it's triple equal to false, so meaning that the user who just log in, that's the user from the session, is not following this person. So we are here. If it's not following this person, then inserting the data. Over here will be dollar statement is equal to $this our notation video our notation prepare. So to insert in something in the database, we use the keyword insert. So this one be insert into the table name, that's follow. And over here will be sender, receiver, status, then follow on. That's the time that the user followed it. Then this one be values. The values over here will be colon sender, colon receiver, then colon status, then then now over here it's a function, which is this one. And over here will be semicolon. Then this one be dollar statement our notation execute. And this one be our array. So we have colon sender our notation be dollar user ID, which is this one. Then colon receiver. Then this one be our notation dollar order ID. And the status over here will be 1. This one. And this one be semicolon. Over here will return okay. It's up to what you want to return here. So this is what we are trying to do. In order to follow the person, need the user ID and the other person ID. So this is the other person ID, and this is the user ID that we are getting from this session. So if the user ID is equal to this one, we are assigning it to the user ID. And over here, we are passing the other person to its following method. So if it's false, meaning that I'm not following the other person, so it will return this one. If the row count is 0, meaning it's false, so it will return this one. Then inserting the data, else do nothing. So if I'm following the person, then do nothing.